Hello, in this video I want to show you how to go back to the Steam mode, gaming mode on Steam Deck. So to do this you'll need to find Return to Gaming Mode on your desktop and simply click on it to open it. And you should return to normal Steam gaming mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.